What if I told you there was a way to quickly and easily create high-quality YouTube shorts that can help you make money without spending hours editing and filming? In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to bulk generate viral shorts that rake in ad revenue and subscribers. I've mastered the formula for creating shorts that get tons of views. And now, thanks to Flicky AI, generating unique, captivating shorts is easier than ever. First, start with the research. I know a lot of you may be tempted to just jump on the latest trend and create shorts around things like making money online or motivation. But the problem is those niches are oversaturated. Instead, we want to find a niche that has a ton of potential for virality but isn't flooded with competition yet. That way, we can establish ourselves as a top creator in that niche much faster. One niche I think could work really well right now is animal facts. People absolutely love watching cute, funny, or amazing videos about animals. And the great thing is there are endless interesting animal facts out there, so we'd never run out of content ideas. To create an engaging short, proceed to Flicky AI. The link is in the description below. After signing up, you will see a dashboard like this. To create a new video, navigate to the New File option and select a name for your video. For this example, let's go with facts about parrots. Click Submit and your file will be generated. A new interface will now open. Navigate to Settings and adjust the aspect ratio to 16, 9 to create a vertical video. Select Convert and then Idea to Video. Input the video concept, which in this case is 3 fascinating facts about parrots. Flicky AI will now start generating the video based on the provided concept. Once Flicky creates the video, we can make some adjustments to enhance engagement. Split the scenes and choose video clips from the Flicky stock library for each part. After splitting up all the scenes, pick suitable background music. The default voiceover is a good option here, but if you want to change, you can change. You can also tweak the subtitles if desired. When ready, select Download to export the final video.
3 fascinating facts about parrots. Discover the vibrant world of parrots, nature's feathered wonders. These birds are more than just pretty faces. Did you know parrots have a lifespan comparable to humans? Some species can live up to 80 years.
That's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.